Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as Peacock Coin. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this. There is a golden coin, Peacock drawn on it. As you can see that, welcome to Peacock Coin. Peacock Coin is a deflationary yield token on Binance Smart Chain with multi-dimensional NFTs. So Peacock Coin want to facilitate influencer pioneering contemporary digital and crypto native artist work. So let me tell you in detail what Peacock Coin is all about. So Peacock Coin is a community project managed by an international team which is developing a worldwide NFT platform. Peacock Coin's main goal is to create world's best platform to purchase, protect, and collect digital collectibles. Creating a digital art market generates a symbolic relationship between artist, collector, and art lovers. Peacock Coin's goal is to provide fairness and transparency to online sales by developing a successful platform while bringing a blockchain to millions of people under development countries. The ambition and goal of Peacock Coin are like providing any individual the ability to sell, buy, and own digital art, hosting a diverse community of artists by easily integrating them from traditional platforms, facilitating and rewarding stakeholder participation in these new decentralized product offerings, all allowing stakeholders to claim ownership of work uploaded by artists. The first version of Peacock Coin platform was launched in May 2021. Located in several countries, their diverse team is composed of Asian, European, African, and South American people. Peacock Coin team wants to promote the work of talented artists and give them visibility around the world. A key challenge for team is how to protect artists' work and avoid plagiarism on an internet world where it is difficult to secure and verify the identity of product. The introduction of blockchain and the NFT system will make it possible to solve many of the problems found in the traditional market, which is plagiarism, rarity, and authentication. So, the use of blockchain technology to support artists around the world and promote their work while providing a secure environment will be at the core of their business platform. So, why NFT? So the NFT standards allow for verifiable digital scarcity with a proven authenticity and immutable proof of ownership. NFTs allow for more detailed attributes to be included, such as uh, rich metadata about the asset of these authenticated details allow owners to be confident about NFTs authenticity and provenance. Their goal is to work with all artists and make their work visible while preserving their crypto rights and prevent theft of intellectual property. So the Peacock team consists of 7 people, four web designers, 2 designers, and one community manager. This team is completed by the community that supports the project. In addition, the Peacock team has chosen to interact with the community by giving them the opportunity to contribute to the progress of the project. After the launch of Pack Token, a 100% community team was created to work in close collaboration with the development. So as you can see, the value of the token, like it's super low, 0 point a lot of 0 and 157. The holders are here like 66,649. The market cap raised is 6.7 million, and the total liquidity locked is $310,000. As the PEC token burned are 61,269 trillion, which is 61% of the tokens. So its NFT, so its ecosystem is like it is 100% community driven, 100% safe, and 100% holder reward. The token distribution looks like this. Peacock PEC token is a PEP20 token from the Binance Smart Chain BSC. With an initial fixed supply of 100 quadrillion, this supply will never increase, it will only decrease. There was an initial burn of 50 quadrillion tokens that the development team has chosen to renounce the ownership of the smart contract and secured the liquidity by sending 100% of the LP's token to the dead address. The entire set of tokens were released without allocating any tokens to the development team. This makes PEC 100% community and 100% secure. A total 5% tax is applied on every transaction. 2% is redistributed to the hodlers, we call it RFI static reward or reflection, and the 2.5% are burned which will increase the scarcity in the amount of supply and increase the price floor ultimately. So there are 0% pre-sale token, 0% team token, 100% liquidity, pancake swap. So this is their roadmap. Roadmap shows what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So they're doing like this for now. Quarter one 2021 design and creation, a pancake swap listing, smart contract audit list on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, implementation of marketing strategy and partnership, deployment of NFT marketplace. So as you can see, they are listed on CoinMarketCap as it shows on the screen. They are in deep period. The price is super low, and the last 24-hour trading volume has been increased for 71%, which is like $246,000, and the fully diluted market cap is 15.5 million. And you can see the chart; it's in rep and dip period. The price is super low. You can buy a lot of tokens and later on in future from it. The main market people use to buy Peacock coin is PancakeSwap. So once you come to this interface, so you have to paste the contract address here. You have to copy it from CoinMarketCap. You can select a currency here, paste it here. Petcoin will appear here. You can click import. Click I understand. Okay, so you have to connect your wallet first. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet you have. And to do that on Android, you have to download the MetaMask or Trust Wallet from Play Store. As for PC, you can add it on a Google extension. So once you do that, connect it to your PancakeSwap, and after that, load up some BNB to it. For one BNB, you are getting this much PEG tokens. So click swap and pump your bags with it. Let's have a look at the Hoodlers report. So as you can see, the Hoodlers here, they are great in number. People are holding a lot of coins here, like 66,656 Hoodlers out there. A transfer have been made of 191,000 and 369. So as you can see the transfer report here, it is recent. People are buying and selling and sending to liquidity, etc. So let's have a look at the Hoodlers. So this 61% goes to the title rest. So what this means that it will increase the scarcity in the amount of circulating supply, and which will ultimately increase the price floor. So it is a good thing that it's 61% margin, and you can see that there are not very big whales in the community. So this 1%, this 0.9% are in liquidity. As for these 1%, so people don't have that much coin. If they sell it, it would go to rug pull. So it's completely safe. This is their white paper, which is very detailed, and everything is here about all of their NFTs and everything they do. So once you're doing your research, you can go through it, as you can see here. So this was up for their website. Let's have a look at their social media. Social media shows that how transparent a project is and what events or AMAs are they organizing in future. They have a big community on Telegram, as you can see on screen. 18,623 members on their Telegram. So you can contact the admins and know the live price charts, etc. So you can join it by writing Peacock coin on the Telegram search bar, and it will do the thing. They also have the Twitter here, where they have 16.3k followers. They have 292 tweets, and their last tweet was on June 1, which was a day before yesterday. If you want to stay updated with this project, you would have to follow them on Twitter to see all their tweets and everything. So they also have a Discord here. If you are a Discord user, you can join it via this link. So this was all up for Peacock coin. If you are interested in this project, I will leave the website link of it in the description box. You can check it out for yourself, do some research. If you want to invest in it, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.